me just have a soft spot for Andre. But let me tell you something. You see, me I go always tell you the truth, no matter if me love you or hate you or dislike you. Me, I go tell you the truth. Andre, come here. Make me and you have a conversation. Let's be fair and let's be reasonable, because I am trying to understand why is it that you are upset with Carlos. I am looking back at the interview, right? And I am thinking and I'm replaying the interview in my head. And I cannot understand. Me can't see no reason, no valid reason why you are upset with Jamaican Carlos. None. Me can't see. You and Wayne, you guys were friends. You introduced Wayne to the internet, because we never know about him. You are business partners, right? Uno are friends behind the scenes. Uno are kumbolo, right? Uno are one another are confidant. Uno have disagreement. The relationship gone sour. You accuse this man of stealing $3.5 million, right? We didn't know about it. You told us about it via your Facebook page. Now, when we heard that, the masses, for about a week, when was dragged in the media, left, right, and center, this man was accused of stealing your money, the things that what they say about Wayne, oh my God. Without hearing Wayne's side of the story, you know, people jump to their own conclusion, right? They form their own opinion, and based on them opinion, them think that their opinion, it was facts about this man, and them not hear this man's side of the story, you know. And for a whole week, bloggers talk about it, how this man thief Andre money, because you tell me that on the media. Right? No, this man don't really have a platform to express himself, to speak his truth. And Jamaican Carlos provided that outlet. Right? He gave Wayne the opportunity. And not just Wayne, your financial advisor. Right? I think that lady who takes care of your finances. Even the lady came on to Carlos' platform. Why are you not angry with the lady? Why aren't you angry with, I don't know if her name, if she's the one where, you know, if her name is Narissa, or we call her grandma, because I don't remember, because that's how we addressed her on the night of the live. It's not me being disrespectful, right? So me just say grandma, because we don't know if she named Narissa, and I don't want to confuse the thing, right? She also spoke that night, but yet still you are having an issue with Carlos. You're not having an issue with grandma, considering that grandma came on Carlos' platform to clear Wayne's name. Wayne was vindicated that night. This lady come out and she clarified, she verified, she cleared things up, and she even gave us more information that we needed, more than what we needed. And you have a problem with that, Andre? You have to be fair. Let's be fair. If the shoe was on the other foot, wouldn't you want a platform to clear your name, knowing that the masses are accusing you of theft? 3.5 million. That can buy one piece of land, one small piece of land in Jamaica. And somebody accuse you of that. Come on. And Jamaican Carlos didn't say a bad word about you during that interview. Not that I can remember. That man was on your side. That man wanted to hear Wayne's side of the story. Me watching, me never care about no secrets. Me no care about what happened behind the scenes. Me never care, because when friend and friend come together and them a talk on the phone, them a go share things with them one another. You understand? Them a go confide in them one another. Because you're a friend and them a trust you. So them a go tell you certain things. Me never care about the details. Me only care about the 3.5 million. Me only want to know, say, did this man really steal your money? And he did not steal your money, Andre. Stop continue to put this narrative out there in the public that he stole 3.5 million of your money. No, because your caregiver, well, not a caregiver, but the lady who looks after your finances, she said this man never steal no money. She explained all of that. Everything she explained in detail, and I listened and I believed everything what she said. And even when she attacked, there were certain things that I disagreed with. And if you go back and watch my video, you hear me say certain things where she said, me never agree with somebody in charge of your money that, I me stand up in a corner where that was concerned because, me just said, boy, you're a grown man and you need to have your own money and blah, blah, blah. If you want to blow it, that have your business or whatever. But maybe she was just looking out for you. But me still never agree. Right? So now, how we come? Say you have so much energy for Jamaican callers. Let me tell you something. You know, come on social media and talk about loyalty and Judas. You and Jamaican callers a family? You know, friends? We are simply just bloggers. We are here to give our opinion. And if we have a call-in show and somebody want to call in and we show and express themselves and voice them, they are free to do so. Want to come from with this whole loyalty and this support is support. You see, if you do good, me I go support you. I am there. I am there front and center with my bank account, with my bank book, with my money for support a cause. You understand what I'm saying? I am there in the background. Nobody have to know what me I do. Where me I contribute to or what. But I am there. Because I support to make, changes to somebody's life. To improve somebody's life. To make a difference. So me I go support the thing. You understand? But you see, when me not go support on a friggery. Me not go turn a blind eye to certain things we want to do. Because I say, right now, Andre, me can't side with you. Where this is concerned, because I know say right now you're acting off of emotion and hurt, and you deal with Jamaican Carlos away, and it is not deserving because he did you no wrong. And then the followers, these commenters, right? They're just under the post, and them just so quick for dismiss Carlos or for cancel Carlos. Just because them love you. Just because, yes, we miss you. We all miss you. But come on, we have to be fair, guys. Me don't know which interview on a watch. But I know me can't see what Carlos do to Andre. I know. For you come out and go answer just because the man gave when a platform for clear his name. And he did just that. And grandma co-signed him on that. This man, he did not disrespect you. Let me tell you something. Me never know about Jamaican Carlos until with the whole debacle. And that's the God's honest truth. Me never really know about Jamaican Carlos like that until this whole thing when me I see with you and Wayne. I'm going to go over there, watch. I'm going to watch 1 and 2 of his videos. And me like what me see. Because this man is a very respectable man. He's so respectful. Unlike you, Andre, because you're very disrespectful. When you go up on Jamaican Carlos, you can't even type certain things. I'm going to tell you, say, no bother with that over here. So, if you used to do it over this upon another platform, don't come over here and don't do it over here. You go over there and you do it over there. So. But don't come over here with your disrespectful comments. And me rate him for that. But you, Andre, are the Prime Minister and your wife. You know ramp for go up under them. You know ramp for be disrespectful. And that's why I say, when you attack a certain argument, me realize say you're acting off of hurt. That me observe with you. You're acting off of hurt. You're hurt. You're somebody who carry around hurt and you don't know how to let it go, Andre. You understand? Don't get me wrong. You are doing good. Me see where you do good. And it is commendable and it is applaudable. Applaudable, applaudable. Right? It is a beautiful thing. I support that 100%. Me rally round you. Me rally behind you. Where that is concerned. But you see, in this case, me not side with you. Because me don't agree with this. And when Jamaican Carlos come out swinging and lick you in your belly button with facts. Because he used facts. Not things when dig up, Things where you yourself say. He used it to cost you. And now you're butthurt. But what do you expect? Because he never trouble you. He didn't trouble you. All he did, he gave someone, your friend, a platform to clear his name. That's all he did. And you're upset. But you're not quarrel about grandma who came on Jamaican Carlos platform. She ain't no Judas. She ain't no Judas. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. You're a highly intelligent man. I'm sure you would have liked somebody give you the time of day. You talk about this one, that one, never sell you out because them deny they doing the interview with Wayne. So you think, so okay, these people, they support you or whatever. It doesn't mean because I open my forum, I open my platform for somebody to come and share their opinion or speak them through. It don't mean say, me hate you or me dislike you or me not support you no more. It just means that I am giving this person the opportunity to tell their side of the story. Right? You are saying that, he's not a good journalist. He's not a journalist, he's just a blogger. He's just a blogger. He never do no studying. No, we never do no studying. We just talk up a phone and say we are giving opinion. We are not journalists. That's why sometimes we talk with facts. No, we not get with facts right because we're not a certified journalist. You understand? We just come and advise with opinion. And that's what it is. Come on. Me don't know if you're a certified journalist yourself. I don't know. You're not an MP. Are you? You're an MP for a constituency. Me don't know. Maybe you are. Me don't know. Right? But we come and we advise to opinion. Why is it such a big deal? We don't come and cuss and say about this Judas. We don't stop it. We don't need to stop it. Don't do them foolishness, them man, because it don't make no sense. When you do them something there, you make we start to form alliance. It's like, no, this side and that side. You must, listen, we need to grow up. We need to grow up and stop it. Right? And when we have debate, we're supposed to can decipher what's right and what's wrong. What is good and what is bad. And that me I say. And when you're no favorites, when them do something wrong, come on, man. We're supposed to can come out and say, me think say this was wrong and me think say that was right or whatever. That's what me believe in. Moving forward, that's what me believe in. We use your platform and split justice, man. You understand what me I say? Andre, you said, right, that Wayne I stalk you and Wayne I post your picture and all of these things. And this is not known. Me not defend Wayne because it was only a friend. Me not defend none of uno. Me just a talk based on what me see, right? You and when me hear. Me hear you say how Wayne terrorized you and I stalk you and him post your picture every time. You know the last time me go up on Wayne Instagram, right? Me search for Wayne Instagram. And me look on Wayne Instagram page. And the last picture when me see that was posted of you on that man's page was from last year. I think last year April. Last year April 2022. Last year. Right? And the last video on his YouTube, and the last video was of you, which was a good video promoting your video, right? Where you was talking about an issue, was tackling an issue. Was this year, March. This year, 2023, March. I go on his Facebook page and all me a look. Me no see no picture. One picture me see, one post, yeah? like a poster with this, you know, Nigel Clark, him, and you. They pan it. And to me, they think, so, okay, maybe we'll not get together and the two of us go tackle this Nigel Clark issue or whatever. I just recently, since you, maybe within the last 24 hours, me see maybe I post 1 and 2 things pertaining to you because of the things them where you say. And why wouldn't he? Just like how you have feelings, him have feelings too. As I said, the two of you guys were friends, and when friendship, sometimes when friendship fall apart, Lord Jesus, sister, when they dash out that this one, they dash out, it is to be expected based on how we see things, you know, always unravel over the years, and it is unfortunate, and it shouldn't happen, because if me and somebody fall out, oh my God, I want God strike me with lightning if me ever come and share. I wouldn't even share with my friend of another friend personal affairs. I don't do them type of things. Me not do that. Not even this a friend over here. So when she tell me fear business, me not go over here. So go tell this a friend that the friend of business. Never. Me not do them something there. And if a relationship gonna south, if one gonna east, one gonna west or north or south, make we just part ways. Me not divulge nothing at all that was discussed in private. Nothing. That's why I tell us I'm pride myself and being confidential. Me not tell nobody nothing at all. It's got nothing to do with nobody. It don't have nothing to do with my friend them. You understand? And it have nothing to do with the public. Me keep it locked. So me never I go endorse that. Me never I go agree to that. You understand what I say? There are certain things, Andre, where if any one of you have anything against anybody, I should have you. I should have you, because you did some things, right? And when me did do my video regarding that interview, me said me now hold you accountable when it come on to certain things, because maybe you did these things when you weren't compass mentis, meaning say you wasn't okay, right? So me said certain things me not go hold you accountable. But when it come on to releasing voice, not release, because you say you didn't release it, right? When it comes on to recording people without their permission, you understand, or their knowledge, I have a problem with that. So we, the public, shouldn't ever go at you with that. But somehow, because we love you so much, we turn a blind eye. I forget about that. Make we be honest and make we be real. Because you see that, when you do this, you know, could have caused a whole heap of problem, you know. That what you do, you know, could have caused death, you know, because you know, say, even if somebody step on your toe, your shoes, as we witness, we've seen, or we hearing at the media, where the schoolboy step on the other school youth shoes and he end up in a hospital. That's what you do could have caused death. Because you reveal, you record private conversation with one female, a slag off another female. And maybe you entrusted this with Wayne, and maybe Wayne put it out there. I don't want to accuse somebody of what I don't know, because I don't know. There are certain things where take place where you and Wayne is concerned. Me don't know if it is true or it is false. I'm still out there, because they say when relationship mash up and cuss, you know, bring good word, and people are going to tell lie and people are going to say this and all that. So me don't know. But that, and when me know, say your record. And me not like people who do them something. You understand? Because you're not trustworthy. You cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted. Right? You declared this man health status to the public. And as me say, me now go to that. Because you record the people, you know, when he was saying, you know, he was of right mind. Yeah, he was in the right mind. You record these people, conversation without their knowledge. Right? You know, you knew of Wayne's health status. And you shared it with the public based on my understanding. Based on my understanding. Forgive me if I am wrong. Forgive me. But me listen to the interview and me get to understand, say, you share it with the public, right? And maybe you did that while you was not of sane mind. You understand what I mean? Say, so me not, so that's why I say certain things where you do when you're out of it, we can't hold you accountable. Because when you don't have control over your brain, over your mind, what can we say? We can't say nothing, we can't accuse, we can't blame you. Because just imagine you not having control over your mind. Yeah, do things where you not normally, where you wouldn't do if you were sane. Right? So we can't have a go at you where certain things is concerned. But some people then still have a go at you because some people don't even understand mental health like that. So then they still say, yo, where him do a idiot thing and whatever. So if we're being honest, if anybody should be upset with anybody, Andre, we should be upset with you. Because of things that you've done, things that we hear you are say, things that we heard. Remember, so we even hear you cuss your mom. We don't know your mother's side of the story. Suppose somebody to give her a platform for she voice her opinion. You go vex. If speak her truth, you go vex with the person for them give her a platform. But yet still you come on social media and you say all kind of things. And we hear you cuss her. And maybe if we listen to her, it would be a different story. That's why we can't really jump on people bandwagon and listen to what them say before we hear the other side of the story. You understand? Because maybe should have come and should have paint a whole different picture. And maybe you would have turned out to looking like the bad guy. Suppose she reach out to Carlos. Suppose she reach out to this lady teacher K. Suppose she reach out to Shelly Curran and say, you know what, I want to speak my truth because my son has said this X, Y, and Z. Suppose you gonna hate all of these people. Suppose she reach out to me, which I don't, so I'm not talk to people like that, right? But suppose none of we are not journalists, but we are heard. People watch and people listen to it. You understand? And she don't want to get certain things out there to the media so it don't look like she's a bad mother. But we don't know. You understand? We don't know. So if anything, let me say, for the umpteenth time, if we should be against anyone, Andre, are you, because you did some foul shit. So nobody come out here and deflect and try to throw people under the bus or whatever. The fact of the matter is that you and we on a relationship went sour, right? And leave it at that. You say one and two little things, leave it at that. Make we move forward in the name of Jesus. Andre, you know 100, you know get better fully. You understand? You know get better fully. Look after your health. Me tell you, say, take as much time as you need. We still there same way. We wait. We still are going to support you same way when you come because for the most part, you do good. Take some time. No rush. Don't make social media people influence you or pressure you into coming back. Can me tell you, say, wait, listen, you see, when time your health deteriorate, when the mental health deteriorate, none of them know their own, you know. Can me take me, I want, you know, don't look on social media and think that them is a friend and your family. Them is not. And they don't owe you no loyalty. None whatsoever. Not even your children, them not even loyal to them when a parents. More time.